Good morning, everybody. Today is day 42. Got rain coming today. I'm off from Virginia 623 where I got picked up yesterday and went to Burke's Garden Hostel. Very nice. Kind of own your own thing there. They got a pole barn with rooms in it. Wind was blowing all night long, very hard winds. I was kind of halfway expecting it to be raining. Originally the forecast was rain starting right now, but I looked at the radar and the forecast and it's pushed back to this afternoon, which is very good. I'm gonna go about 15 miles to Brushy Creek Outpost. Here comes the wind now, just as I mentioned it. And it's supposed to be 26 degrees tonight. Think I can catch a ride and get into Weary Feet Hostel. I think that's what I'm going to do. I got to put down 15 miles. It's after 8 o'clock this morning, so it's going to push me over into the afternoon and possibly into the rain since I got out so late. But this is the earliest I could get out. So anyway, that's what it is, what it is. And crows. I thought I heard a turkey putt. There's crows talking. All right, I will give you some more. I'll show you. I got this big climb right in front of me. Got to go up those rocks. Here's some food for thought for you. I was talking to the hostel owner yesterday on my ride. Yeah, it's about a 20-minute ride back to the hostel. You actually walk right by it, but it was going to be about a 15, 16 mile day if I didn't go on further. So went further and she came and picked me up. Round trip, they charged $10 for that. So she was telling me about the bears. She said they have just a ton of bears. And she said they haven't seen any yet, but every year they have really a bear problem. And she said the reason is because the nuisance bears from the Smokies get brought to here and let out in these woods. And I did see some scratching yesterday. The kind of digging, scratching looked a little bit like bear sign, but nothing that I can just say, yeah, that's bear sign. But so it's just kind of, some of you won't like this and some of you will. But and once the nuisance bears get here, then they're no longer protected like they are in the Smokies. So they give out bear tags here, and a lot of those nuisance bears become bear rugs. She said she had 3 different mama bears with cubs last year that gave birth on their property. One was triplets, one was twins, and one was a single. Right there, man, that's a lot of bear, and all that happened just on her property. So, yeah, you better hope you're not a nuisance bear and get taken to here, because most likely you're gonna turn into a rug pretty quickly, because a nuisance bear becomes a nuisance here. Most likely goes down, tries to rob people's trash and all that. And then she said there's no telling how many of them get killed that don't get reported. But they also give tags, so there's a bunch that are being made into rugs. So the moral of this story is to stay out of the trash. I think I'll filter some water here. I carry, every now and then in my resupply boxes, I get protein powder. And I try to hit that protein powder every now and then to try to help with the muscle deformation as you wear down your muscles. So I'm going to take a little protein powder here. See that big boy over there? That's one I just came off of, so I don't have to go back over it. Came down to Jenkins Shelter right before I got that water break at the bridge. Mixed my protein powder, and but that was down in the creek, so I've been climbing ever since. But that's the one I came off of this morning. He's a big old boy. I know I'm not going to go that way, surely. Yeah, I know I came off of there. I'm hoping I'm going that way. That's a long way up. It's cloudy, I really can't tell you. I know I'm overall going northeast, but you know, sometimes I'm going due northeast right now. So, Lord willing, I won't cross over and go up that big boy. But I'm sure there's another one ahead of me to climb. That's the one I came off of. That long ridge. It's on the county line where you can see in the bear garden all day yesterday. It was beautiful. I didn't show you a lot of it because it's kind of hard to see, but it's a beautiful hike. With a ton of puds, but still it was beautiful. After you leave Chestnut Knob Shelter. All right, get this climb over with here. There's a red-headed woodpecker. He was hiding behind the tree. I was trying to get him on video. He would peep around, look at me, and then go around the back side of the tree. I was trying to get him. This is Suter Road. Let me see what this creek is called. It's pretty well far out, just calls it a rocky stream. It is pretty. Little waterfall there. Truck parked here. It's Virginia 615 I just crossed. Still no rain. I've been lucky. Hadn't been moving fast either. Got out late and moving slow. Should be done by now. It's after 1. Well, I shouldn't be done because I got 16 miles, but 15.7. I should be closer than I am, especially with the rain coming. It looks like we're gonna go on the other side of the mountain. Yep. Oh wow, did I get transported to the PCT? This has been burned. Forest fire. Been replanted too. The pines are, see all the pines. Huh. That tree smoked bad. Don't see that very often on the AT. Do occasionally, but not very often. Most everything's already fallen too. Still some stuff got to come down, but got a couple more miles to go to Bland, the big city of Bland, Virginia. The trail dropped me out on this road. Still above Bland, I can see Bland. I don't have far to go to the outpost. It's called the Brushy Mountain Outpost. I don't know what I called it earlier. Oh, that's a big power line. It ain't making the noise that other one was, but that's a big one. That's a big old pole. Good gracious, that's a tall pole. Huh. Made it to Weary Feet Hostel, and it is perfect timing. Rain has set in here. Last year, for you turkey lovers, there were gobblers roosted down there on that creek. It was Easter Sunday last year, in 23 when I hiked here, not last year. But gobblers were all roosted in there. They were turkeys all over the place. I'm hoping it's clear in the morning and I can make them gobble for us. This is a neat hostel. Several people here too. I'm not here by myself. There's several hikers here. Look like 3 through hikers and 1 section hiker.